Hey, everybody is walking up and swarming the car. I will just walk up because nobody cares about everybody else, and it's raining very heavily outside, so I don't care. I'm just gonna do my video straight up. Full LED headlamps, daytime running lights, and I think the car looks really good. Comes with Bridgestone tires, so not some cheapo tires. I hope the music is not too loud. Now look at the side profile of the car. It is very SUV-like. In fact, it looks like a SUV long wheelbase. The wheelbase looks rather long for the size of the car, and this car now, from what I'm seeing here, it looks larger than previous RAV4s, you know, so it's a very big car. It obviously looks larger than the BRV in every aspect. So the specs are somewhat like what? The specs are what? 6 airbags,
6 airbags,
blind spot warning, pre-collision warning, pre-collision braking, and what else?
I think it's the same as the MyV system. It's the one with 2 stereoscopic camera one.
Nice. We'll have a look at that. Then later we'll check the interior, and you can see the sensors on top of the windscreen. Okay. So we'll discover everything together because my first time seeing it. Keyless entry, the push button type, and then you can see here, this is the blind spot warning marker. Nice diamond cut sport rims over here. Oh, visors. I don't know visors if it is an option or what, but they are there. These look like this is a very long roof rail. Now it's metal, it's not plastic. This is a very long roof rail. Never seen a roof rail this long. Okay, now look at the boots. Twin struts at the side. Obviously there's no power tailgate, don't expect power tailgate. With 7 seats up, oh my god, it's so dark here. Where's Brother Con? Where's Brother Con? I need some lighting. No one is there. Oh, maybe their flashes can light up. You all can see the interior. Flash, go ahead, bro. Flash. Thank you, bro. So you can see the size of the boot, even with 7 seats up. I like this garnishing. Very nice metal. Leather dash. Is this even leather? Is this real leather? No, this is just look-alike leather. No, it's not. I thought it's some really tightly knitted leather. Some fabrics over here. Nice plastics overall. Very nice. Isofix here. And let's come into the second row. Tarik hooks. 2 Tarik hooks. Look at that. The handbag lock thingy. So in the second row, I get aircon vents here. Look at my headroom. 1 palm of headroom. And I get about 3 fingers of knee room. I can slot my feet underneath, so that's comfortable. In the middle row, even in the middle row, I still get a palm of headroom, but my knees are touching, but of course you can adjust that. And then let's look at the third row. Let's see how this... So it tumbles, so it's very easy to go into the third row.
Can you take a photo later?
What happened?
Can the VIP take one photo?
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought everybody is up. VIP. Oh, you thought everybody is up there, right? Let's go away. This is funny. The MC asked all of us to check out the cars, and then we just went up, and apparently the VIPs haven't taken photos. Okay, we'll rush back up. We will rush back up once they are done. Okay, I'll pause the video now. I can show you all the side profile of the car from here. Look at it. So it looks like a long, sleek SUV. You know how 7-seater SUVs have this kind of profile? It looks exactly like that. They look like a long wheelbase SUV. Yeah, all hands clap, and then we can go back up to the stage, I reckon. Nope. It depends on whether people are swarming. If people are swarming the car, right, then I can go back. Oh, let's go back. Fuck it. Right? Since everybody is doing it. Sorry bro, tadi halfway sini ya. Sangat cepat ah. So remember that? We tumble up here and then I can go in here to the third row. This is what I'm most interested now. See all this? This is the point where the seat will mount. They always leave a hole here for our foot. Okay, see that? Okay, it's very dark in here because there are no lights whatsoever. But I need to... I'll just shift into this side. Luckily I'm wearing a beige color pant. Now you cannot see much, but basically my knees are into the second row seat back. If I need to lift the rear headrest, I need to lift it up in order to sit comfortably. But generally I can only put my foot into the holes that was prepared for me in order to sit comfortably. But like every one of these cars is not meant for adults at the back, but I can fit nonetheless. There are some where I couldn't fit at all. I can fit, but it's more for kids. Alright, now look at the rear lights design. Very sleek, I would say it's very sleek, and I'm happy to see car makers now, they don't cheap out on lower end models anymore. Lower end models also look sophisticated, look nice with chrome garnishing here and there, spoilers up here. So, sorry, I'll just walk one round across. You can see the reverse camera here. Okay, yep. So that's the rear bumper. Well, you need all this now, right? To garnish up the cars. So yeah, very nice. I'll move to the front cabin in a while. Okay. All right, let's move in. That's the door panel. Very full length, not full, but very good length of door bin over here. This one you can put your smart tag, you can put your stuffs here. This feels good. And let's move into the cabin. Now this is not a big C segment SUV. It's a B segment SUV, but of course they try to garnish it up. And I like this kind of touches. You know, beige, white, leather look-alike cladding. It gives a different dimension to the interior because you have different color combinations. Okay, this is a compartment over here. You have a 12-volt socket over here. I do not understand what's the PVM. And then you have the same Toyota infotainment system, which is a weaker point compared to its rivals because only one USB port here, and I couldn't find others anywhere else. This is across the board in most Toyotas nowadays. This is very unique. That's the aircon vent. Oh, you have this in Fiat Puntos from the 90s. Alright, so very simple mechanism on both sides, and they look good. They look good. This is a bit, these are all hard plastics, but the high quality hard plastics, okay? So no surprises everywhere else. So you have your volume control here, your aircon control wheel knob. You have a glove box that isn't too big for an MPV. You have 3 cup holders over here, and generally it's alright. Sunglass holder over here, 2 dome lights, and then you have a mirror with lights over here, mirror with lights over here as well. This is pretty alright. Okay, so yeah, perforated leather sport seats, not sport, leather seats, I'm sorry. So you have all these sensors, you can turn it on and off. Start button is over there. That's about it. Alright, so in terms of safety features, 6 airbags, blind spot warning, pre-collision warning, pre-collision braking. They're all there. Okay, that's the engine, and tiny engine, but let's look at the design of the car. Looks sharp, especially with LED headlamps. Okay, let's close the hood for sudah? Belum? Sudah? Okay, okay, let's close it for a while just to... Oops, sorry. Okay. You still want, Look at the front hood, man. Look at these bulges. Just like AMGs. Okay. I like the design. I like the front design. The headlamps are unique. Yeah, that's a camera there. Nice. So, yeah. This car looks good. It looks like a